Hi, I'm Penny from the Danville Public Library. This week the craft is going to be making a spider. Here's the kit package that you will pick up. It will have these papers in it that you can do for fun and education things. And it will also have 8 of these right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to take, and you'll have eyes. And what you're going to do is you're going to take one of these and you're going to twist it around and around. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's your spider. However you want it to look. And twist it all the way around and make a circle with it. And then you're going to take this and you're going to kind of fold it like this and then kind of twist it. So that way you just, and if it doesn't go even, that's okay. You can always reposition it and make it the best that you can. Twist it in the back. And pull it down on the sides to make it have legs. And if it does that, just kind of move it over a little bit. Just kind of play with it. If you play with it a little bit, you will get it to do exactly what you want it to do. It may take a little bit for you to do that. Then just take another one and do the same thing. Put one on each side. That way, see, it holds it together in the middle. And then you also are creating your legs at the same time on the side. And then just do that with each one of them. And like I said, don't worry about perfection. It's just fun for you to make your own spider and create your own. Everybody's may not look the same. And that is a-okay. Here's one that I did earlier. See how that looks a little bit different. That's just according to how you do it. And just pull it together like that, and then pull your little 8 legs out. Try to have 8 eggs, or 8 legs. Sorry, give you a little bit of laugh there. And then get it to look something like this or something like this. However it turns out, just play with it. No rush. And then take these little eyes. You can put them wherever you want to. You want to put them on this side, you want to put them on this side, it doesn't matter. Whatever side you want to put the eyes on. They stick right on there. If you have a problem with them sticking, just use some glue. You can either use this kind of glue or the glue stick, or you can use the tape here at home, whatever you want. And then when you're done putting your eyes on and they stay, then you can just fix your little legs here. And you can make them stand different ways, like that one may stand just like that. And this is all for fun, so whatever you want to do, however you want to make it, just do your own little spider. See? This little spider looks a little different, but you might want to move his little legs out like that, help him stand a little better. Give him a little more support. And like I said, just play with them. There's enough in the kit to make 2 spiders, so you can have 2 pals. And this is another one that was made earlier by another employee. So, see? All 3 of those, they all look different. So just make your spider however you want it and have fun with it. So make sure you come in and get your kit. We hope to see you. Thank you.